Internal Revenue Service IRS News. Taxpayers can explore several tax help options before visiting an IRS office. Some taxpayers may think they need to visit an IRS office for help in person with their tax issues. However, many of these people may actually find what they need online or by phone. In fact, many questions can be answered without ever having to visit an IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center. Finding answers to their tax questions, taxpayers can use several resources to find answers, including the Interactive Tax Assistant. There's a link to that here. Ask the taxpayer questions and give answers based on their input. Publication 17, link to that here, covers a broad range of topics and updates on tax law changes. Then we have the IRS.gov, provides information on what to do when a letter from the IRS arrives. We have the Publication 5136 IRS Services Guide PDF file, linked to that here. IRS Services Guide has more ways taxpayers can get help. Checking on their tax refund status. So if our goal is to check on the tax refund, taxpayers have two options to check on their refund. The one, use the Where's My Refund, link to that here, tool on the IRS.gov website. That's going to be the URL, IRS.gov, or on the IRS.gov app. There's a link to that here. Or dial 800-829-1954 anytime for the audio version of this tool. Making a payment. So if you need help with them making a payment, taxpayers have several options for submitting a payment to the IRS. Use the IRS Direct Pay, link to that here on IRS.gov. This is a free, secure electronic method to pay from a checking or saving account. Pay by debit or credit card, link to that here. The third-party provider of this service will charge a processing fee. Visit the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, link to this here, for online and phone options. Get the IRS.gov app. There's a link to that here. It provides the mobile-friendly payment options, direct pay, and card payment on mobile devices. Make a cash payment in person in more than 7,000 retail stores nationwide. Link to them here. Mail a personal cashier's check or money order made out to the U.S. Treasury along with a completed Form 1040-V payment voucher. Taxpayers should never send cash. There's a link to that payment voucher here. Viewing online accounts. So if your goal is to view the online accounts, taxpayers can view account information online at irs.gov/account. There's a link to that here. From this page, taxpayers can view the amount they owe and get the total payoff amount for the current calendar year, connect to other online tools such as Direct Pay and Get Transcript without having to log in again, get key information about their current year tax return as it was originally filed. Visiting an IRS office. If a taxpayer decides they want a face-to-face interaction, they need to first take these two steps. Use the Contact Your Local Office tool. There's a link to that here on IRS.gov, IRS.gov. This tool helps taxpayers find the closest IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center, the days and hours of operations, and a list of services the TAC provides. Make an appointment. The taxpayer will need to call 844-545-5640 to make an appointment. The taxpayer will then receive an email confirming the day and time of their appointment. There'll be a link to this article in the description.